Music is such a big part of my life. I've been playing the piano for a little over 20 years now, and my mom signed me up for piano classes when I was 10 years old. At first, I really didn't have much interest in it, but she told me that it was something that I would really thank her for when I got older. My teacher was very strict, but also I feel like if it wasn't for him, I probably would have never learned how to play the piano. He was an incredible teacher. As a year or two went by, in hours of practice, I began to play actual pieces and songs that I really enjoyed. And by the age of 13, my music instructor had me playing pieces from Mozart, Beethoven, Chopin, you name it. And throughout the years, I've played and performed in live concerts, orchestras, bands, played for weddings, accompanied many choirs. I had an upright piano, and I played on the upright for about 2 to 3 years until my mom said, finish your books that your instructor's giving you to learn. Once you finish those, then I'll get you a baby grand piano. And then sure enough, she came home and there was like a truck outside that had a piano, a baby grand piano, and they rolled it out and then put it all together. And I'm like, Mom, where did you get this? So I've had the piano for, I would say, maybe 17 years now. And yeah, it's been with me, and it's kind of like a piece now that I hold because my mom's the one who bought it for me. In 2012, my mom passed away from breast cancer. I always remembered my mom's words that I'd always thank her when I got older. By me playing the piano, I'm keeping her memory alive, and I feel like I'm keeping her with me at all times. Going to have a baby girl in the next few months. The first song that I would teach her, the first song that I ever learned was Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Stars. I really want to get her to start playing earlier than when I started. I started at 10. I feel like you could start at the age of 4, and it really will put you at another level by the time you're 10 years old. Working for Envoy, I don't have to go into the office every single day. Just the flexibility allows me to either work from home, gives me time to do things around the house, or even play the piano. My name is Narsi, and I'm a pianist and a lone originator.